I'm just here with a few right now, but she's scared of this. Look, that's what happens when the falcon attacks one of your birds. Come here, beautiful. It's okay. Yeah, she's been hanging really close to me, so I'm just hand feeding her right now. I just don't want to hold this device up because it's scaring her, but yeah, I wanted to show everyone. Brutal, hey? I don't know if that's going to grow back. If it starts getting cold, she has a place to stay. Yeah, I'm going to go take care of her right now, so. Here you go, beautiful. Everybody have a good day. I got to hand feed her. Isn't that right, beautiful? I gotcha. It's okay. I gotcha. Yeah, she's waiting on me here.